Children, here again the continuation of lesson 9. Yesterday we studied about Chief Minister and his functions, and here you can see things to know. They have given 29 states and 7 union territories. As the book is old, that time this was the thing, but now children, this is changed. 28 states are there, and including the capital, 9 union territories are there. So the difference between the state and central government is in the area which they function. Okay. So here we studied about two local level government, state government and union government. So here we studied about state, and union means central government. So the Gujarat state government is limited to its boundary. For example, state level, what the work is allotted to the state, that much work, on that only they have to frame policies, they have to make rules, everything. They have to do the work on the limited area only for that state, what the work is done to given to them from the constitution. The same way they are all written in their list. State list, underline children, there are 3 lists: state list, union list and concurrent list. So in this 3 lists, their works are allotted. Here you can see one table: union list, state list and concurrent list. Okay. But all the subjects, all the whole list is not given. Few functions are given here. So union list altogether, underline children, 97 subjects are there. Okay, subjects means on these work they have to do the work. On this field they have to do the work. For example, census, relation with the foreign countries. Next is defense, finance, banking, formation of law, railways, telegraph, postal, insurance, seaways, airways, railways, nuclear power. In that way, on these they have to frame laws. They have to make steps to develop these areas. That are the works to be done under the union list. That is the state central government. And here only few are given, children. Totally 97 are there. And related with the state list, you can see here state list is 67. On this, the state government should work. Okay. That is health, agriculture, forest, local self-government. In that way, many things are there. So they have to work on that. So next is concurrent list. Totally 47. Concurrent list, totally 47 subjects are there. That is related with both the government, union and state. Union and state together they work on these laws. They have to frame laws on this. Any development should be made, they have to think about that. So together, union and the state government together will do on these subjects, like prevention of crime, revenue or tax, literacy, industry, employment, electricity, and all these included in the concurrent list. So these are the 3 main things you have to remember in this. And please children, whatever think questions are given, try to answer those questions in textbook itself.